Here's how to use an Amazon gift card code on the Amazon app. So to do this, you'll need to get to the gift card redeeming page. Now, you can get there in one click with the link in the description or the top comment, or you can follow along and we'll try to get there through the account on the app. So what we're going to do is go to the 3 lines on the app. And once you click on those 3 lines, or it might be the little Amazon button at the bottom center of your app, and that's going to pop open a list. And then you're going to want to click more options or more. There's going to be a couple things, and then it's going to give you like a more button. That's going to take you to this page. Now on this page, you probably aren't going to see gift card here at the top. So what you'll want to do is kind of swipe down a little bit. Credit cards and payments is likely where you want to go. You tap on that, and then underneath that, you'll see gift cards. So you see this can be kind of a process to get there. Now we're on this gift cards section, and what we can do is, we should be able to redeem a gift card. We're going to click on these 3 lines here, and right here, redeem Amazon gift cards. They make this a little bit different every time. It could be different for you by the time you watch this video, but we're going to click redeem Amazon gift card, and now we're on this page. So that link in the description takes you straight here, but if you want to try to find your way there, you can do that too. Now, once you get here, this is where you have that gift code. And so whatever that code is, you enter it in here. You don't need to enter in the dashes. So now, as long as you enter that code correctly, you can click apply to balance. What that's going to do is apply that Amazon gift card to your balance. You can see here, my previous balance was $25. I just applied a $25 gift card. So now I have $50 I can use on Amazon. That gets check marked automatically when you're checking out, but you can always uncheck it if you don't want to use it on a particular purchase. But it's pretty easy now for that to be applied to any purchases on Amazon moving forward. And that is how you can redeem your Amazon gift card code on the Amazon app.